Hello guys, welcome back to another video with the trading, live trading. Actually, we are not live streaming as of now, but soon we are going to see our trades on live streaming, right? We're going to take our trades and then see what was the performance of our trades and everything, right? So yesterday at night, we have explained about 2 3 entries, and then we have to click one entry here. You can go back to the channel and see what was the trade, what was the stop loss and target, like that, right? So currently you can see it has hit like more than 1:3, so probably 75% quantity you would have exited, and the rest quantity SL or TSL will be closed, right? But those who remember, I told you as soon as this crosses, you have to trail your SL at these levels, right? So probably at this level you would have hit your SL with the remaining 25% quantity, right? So I will quickly explain the logic of this trade without wasting much time, right? So as soon as we have seen something like stop loss hunting and hammer candle, and there is a again Fibonacci retracement, and with the two positive signs, which is like buying candle 0.5 setup, SL hunting, these 2 3 reasons, plus overall market trend was positive if you see. So ignore these things as of now, right? But you can clearly see this was the positive trend on 4 hour, on daily time frame. It was positive trend, right? So we are not going to trade like for a swing kind of trade. We have to just take a scalping entry or just like daily entry, right? So as of now you can see this trade has given 1 is to 3, 3.5, we can say lot 3.5, but it has just reached the resistance and then fallen down, right? But 1 is to 3, we have booked 75% quantity. And regarding the stop loss, I will just switch back to the 1 minute time frame, and we will also see why we kept SL at this level, right? So currently you will see there is a buying momentum coming at this level, and probably if you notice, these were just stop loss hunting candle. See, this was the support where this was the SL hunting candle, and we took entry exactly like after this confirmation, right? So our SL is going to be like below the level, and here was the support, so that's why we kept SL at this level, and first target was 1 is to 2, right? So 1 is to 2, if you remember correctly, at this level we got like around 1 is to 2, maybe 91, 3390 or 91 I was talking about, so 91 I think. So probably at this level we got 1 is to 2 probably, and after that 1 is to 3 it has hit somewhere around here with the same resistance level, right? And now if you notice, there was a sharp selling at this level, and when market reached this level, right? So we can expect some retracement or fall again, because this was the sharp fall, right? So we have, like you can see, this was the retracement, this was the retest, and this was the trap, but it has to cross the swing to continue its momentum on upside, right? It has not crossed the previous swing. If you notice, I will just minimize this thing, right? See, this is the resistance level, you will notice, right? So this is the resistance level, and after this breakout there is a retest pending in the market, right? So it came at retest, again went up, so those people bought at this level, their SL is going to be like this one and this one. So market came down, hit at everybody's SL, and then after hitting everybody's SL, it is always required to break the previous swing to show some upward up momentum, right? So we are not going to take entry at this level, because currently we are holding this entry from here after this retracement or after this trap, right? So we will be waiting for another trap and good sign, and then we will enter at this level, right? So if you see, again it has hit everybody's SL here, even our SL also got hit here, right? If we hold that quantity for long time, right? Anyways, now if you see, there is a shift of trend. As of now you can clearly see there is a trend has been shift now, and you will notice again tomorrow the same thing. What market did, market like closed here on the same level, market opened in a range, you will notice the range here, right? And those who remember, this was our support zone, but I believe that we have missed something like this, right? Just give me a moment, guys. Okay, so I think we have missed something here, because market always taking support from below this level, right? See, this was the actual support zone, so I think this was not a incorrect support zone, this was the correct support zone, right? Because here also 2 times market went up, here also 2 times market went up, right? And as of now, if you see, as soon as this support has been broken down, market has given sharp rally, right? But that is another thing. Let's switch back to our daily trade now. Now what we do, as we have to shift the daily time frame, and previous day we can see there is a full body candle, inside candle, mother candle, baby candle. We can say this mother candle, this is the baby candle, right? So we have, after this candle we have two things here. See, I have this resistance here, and I have this support here, right? I will delete this support as of now, because it will create some confusion. So I will just mark today's, like yesterday's, we can say yesterday's support zone. And okay, let's switch back to the 4 hour time frame, because it is not allowing me to edit some proper drawings on the chart, right? So this was the high, and this is, again I will switch shift to the daily time frame. See, this is the daily resistance high, this is the day low, and we can say we have considered week here. Let's switch back to the 4 hour time frame. Now we have two zones here. This is the selling zone, this is the buying zone, or this is the, let's say it has breakdown and retest, we'll try to enter at this level, right? Now on what, like what we're seeing in here on 4 hour time frame, this is a 4 hour time frame, this is a consolidation, right? So this is a consolidation, there will be a breakout and trap, again there will be a breakdown and trap. Now you see this breakout and trap also worked, and this breakdown and trap also working, and I believe that this was the big retracement on 4 hour time frame. As we know, we have discussed the same also, either it will consolidate or it will give retracement, just like this. See, this was the uh, rally, this was the consolidation, this was the rally, this was the retest, again momentum, right? So this was these things are needed in the uptrend, right? So if you consider this is as a up move, so this is a retracement, and after that there will be again a good rally in the market. You see, again this was a big momentum, this was a retracement, this consolidation, after this breakout we got good rally here. You will notice the same type of consolidation here. Once it breaks, it retests, or it sometimes it you have to catch the moment in a running candle on a shorter time frame. What I'm saying, on a shorter time frame. So if you have bought at this level, you can book like 50-60% quantity, and you can hold the risk quantity with the CTCSL, because we don't know market will give this much rally or not, right? So let's just wait here, and we'll see on hourly time frame. And those who remember, we have only two zones as of now today, right? See, this is the first zone, which is the sale zone, this is the buy zone, and we will again on 1 hour also, I'm not seeing anything, any major resistance. We have this one as a small resistance here, so I will mark this as a selling zone, right? So this is a small selling zone here on hourly time frame. Let's switch back to the 30-minute time frame. For those who don't know what we are currently doing, we are analyzing the market, and market started from here. So this is our today's start point, right? So we can say we have data till this line, and if we switch back to the hourly time frame, we have only this much data. See, we have only this much data. I will again modify this levels also. We have only this much data till here, we have everything, right? We don't know picture after this, right? So I'm going to explain everything from shorter time frame, right? Switch back to the 15-minute time frame, and now those who remember, this is our support zone. See, I will mark as a buying zone, right? And this is our selling zone, because this we have plotted on daily time frame, right? So this is the selling zone, this is the buying zone. And those who remember, in the morning, if you took entry at this level after this consolidation, you will get good entries, good profit. At least first target will be this zone, second target will be this zone. Suppose if you miss the entry, let's say you have missed the entry here, right? But you know market started rallying from this level, so what you can do here, you can mark Fibonacci from this level to this level. If it touch 0.5, you can enter here. Again you got one more swing here. See, now you have this low here and you have this high here, right? So what we are going to do, let's switch back to the 1 minute time frame to go in deeper, right? Let's switch back here. We have now this low here, and we have now this swing high here. See, I told you it will create a trap. See, this was the support, it created a trap, it created a breakdown candle, big candle. After that there is no continuation candle, there is a up move candle, up move candle. The trend has been shifted, this was the swing here. Let's see, breakdown, retest, continuation. And now what we have here, swing here. Let's make it this, right? Just give me a moment. We have this thing here, swing here, and this is called as the break off structure. Again, this is called as the break off structure, break off structure. So you get multiple confirmations after this. You can take entry at any time by keeping SL below the swing. If you are taking entry at this level, SL should be like below the swing here. Probably if you are taking entry at this level after the confirmation, your SL is going to be like probably at this level. So 7, and the next target, you know, this is going to be like your next target, because is the final resistance zone, right? So you can keep target at initial level or at middle level or at this level, but remember, you have to book 50% profit at 1:3, again remaining 25% profit at 1:3. So this was the first trade which you can take in the live market with our same analysis, right? After that, you know, market is reaching selling zone. So you can see again, for there is a swing here, right? See, this is a swing here, this is a swing high here, and you see a support here, and this is a breakdown here, but there is no break off structure. See, this was the break off structure, this was break off structure or continuation, you can say. There was no swing has been broken out. See, market give confirmation. See, I will tell you again one more thing. Support, breakdown, here also support, breakdown, but market went up, it created a swing here, swing high here, and swing high got broken. here breakdown, and there is a swing, but this swing has not been broken, and this was a fake breakout, and you will again get one more selling entry here with the same analysis, right? And after this, or at this level, you get confirmation SL is going to be like the breakdown candle high, and you will notice the support zone. Where is the buying zone? Here, right? So let's just mark this. This is your first target, right? Probably at this level I will extend just this one. So 1 is to 3.5. So again here also you have to do the same thing. Book 50% quantity at 1 is to 2, 25% quantity 1 is to 3, and after that you can trail. And by trailing, I think you will trail your SL, and I think you will hit your SL probably at this level, right? So you will probably at the end of the trade you will book 1 is to 5.6, probably 5.6, right? So this is how you can trade in the market. And currently market has like below the level, it has been broken down and consolidation. There is no up move, there is just consolidation, right? So you have to wait in the consolidation, and then you have to take a good entry. Here market is just consolidating, as you can see currently market is consolidation. So you don't need to do anything, or else you can do whatever. You can switch back to the 1 hour time frame, and let's just see what market is doing currently. Okay, let on a 1 hour time frame, breakdown, retest, and after this we were expecting continuation, but it's going upside. So currently let's say this is the seller's trap here, and we have to wait for a buying setup. Switch back to the 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame, again analyze the market. We can see there is a swing here, right? And I think we missed the entry here. I believe that, right? Let's switch back to the 15-minute time frame. You can see multiple time resistance, this has been broken out, retested. Again you will get a good confirmation here. Again switch back to like let's use Fibonacci here. There is a swing here, high here, again low here, high here. Maybe probably you can buy it from here, like you can mark it from this low till this high. You will see 0.5 level support here, right? Again let's see, we can see whether this is a good momentum or not, right? So first it has made this low, this high, and let's just extend bit here, right? And you will notice it is taking support from the same level. And there is a catch, guys. Those who remember, we have to wait for the trap. See, this was the support, this is a breakdown candle. After this breakdown candle there is a continuation candle, so there are 90% of the chances that market will go in upside. Are you getting my point? So this was the support which market made, like here up move and going upside. Those who keep RSL at this level, their SL got hit, and after that market started moving upside, right? So if you want to take this trade with this logic, you would have taken this entry probably, let's see which level, at this level or at this confirmation. Let's say there is also break of structure here. See, this is the break of structure, right? See, this swing has been broken, this swing has been broken, again this swing has been broken, and there is a retest also. So you probably take two or three entries here in this case, right? Let's see, you will get entry at this level. Stop loss is going to be like probably at this level. At this level your SL is probably I think here. And you will notice currently it has given almost 1 is to, okay, 1 is to 3 is already hit, probably hit it, right? Because we'll keep our trailing SL right here. And for the second entry also you will notice currently market has given 1 is to 2. So here you have booked 50% quantity. If you take entry at here, 1 is to 3 already done, and here 1 is to 2 already done. So even if market comes down here, hit your SL, you are probably not going to lose anything in the market, right? So this is how we trade, guys. And I guess that's it for today, and we will again come back tomorrow, and we will again trade, we will again analyze our trades here. I will just mark this one entry for our trade. Probably SL I will keep at let's see, 1 minute time frame. Where should we keep our SL, right? Probably there is a support, so if market comes to hit our SL, it will take support from this level, so we can keep SL at this level, right? So probably at this level we can keep our SL. Let's delete drawing and keep our SL at this level, right? So this is going to be like our SL, because if market comes down here to take SL, everybody's SL, so market come here, it will take support from this level, and then we'll go up after hitting everybody's SL at this level. And we have to keep SL at this level. So let's see here, 6 point SL, and probably we are getting as of now 21 is to 4, more than 1 is to 4 we are getting currently, right? So this was the trade, and I guess that's it for today, guys, and we'll again see you tomorrow. And I guess there is no explanation needed in the tomorrow's video, because yesterday we took this entry and this has been worked out, right? But currently here we can say it's already done and hit our target. Probably I'm waiting for, I guess I can see there is a good sharp momentum here. So if you want to trade on retracement, you can mark Fibonacci from this level to this level. Market is at support, sorry, at resistance zone. This is our Fibonacci zone, right? So this is the Fibonacci selling zone. If you want to take a trade, right, you have to wait for trap here, same here, right? Market will consolidate here, it will create a fake breakout here, and then after the retest, right, it will continuously go down. It will create a break of structure, change of structure, we can say, right. It will break its structure, and after that structure break, you can take sell entry with the sell of, let's say, based on the current market condition, on live market condition, and you can keep the target retest level same, probably at this level or at this level. But remember to book profit at 1:2 50% quantity, 1:3 25% quantity, and after the 1:4 you can keep trailing your SL at CTC or at recent swing, and you can enjoy your profit, right? So let's see if we get entry in such kind of scenario or not. If not, then what market will do? Market has created a rally, it will retest and it will again create a up momentum, right? So in order to do that, it is also, it is required to make some consolidation. After this consolidation, there will be breakdown. See, this is the consolidation breakdown, and then change of character, change of structure, break of structure, and then it will create a up move. You can take entry, you can place a sell, and target is going to be like this one and this. Probably you will get good targets because the trend is positive and it has created just a fake breakdown, right? So let's just wait here and see how market does. And currently there are two entries currently planned here. Let's see whether we get these two entries or not, right? See you in the tomorrow's video. Bye bye guys, thank you.